So I want to take advantage of the fact that I can now use GPT-5 with Copilot Studio. Now I've logged into Copilot Studio here, and you'll see that this is an agent that I've created, and I am using the GPT 4.0 as my model here, as you can see. Now if I pull this down and go into edit, I want to be able to change that model. Now it takes me to the settings for that model, and you'll see here that I have the ability to select the agent's model. If I pull that down, the only option that I have currently is GPT-4. So how do I go about getting access to GPT-5? So what I need to do is I need to create a new environment, and then I need to make sure that environment has the option selected to get the latest features. So how do I do that? Well, the easiest way is to go to the Power Platform Admin Center. Now you can do that by going to the URL directly, but the way I went to it is I went to My Power Automate and went to the cog in the top right hand corner, and you'll see here there's an option to select the admin center. Now when I do that, it will take me to admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. As you can see, I want to select the manage option on the left. I want to select environments, and then what I need to do is create a new environment. So I would give it a name, and you'll see that I would also select a region. The important option here to select is get new features early, so I need to make sure that would be selected. I then choose the type of environment that I want. I need to add a dataverse because Copilot does require a dataverse, and then you need to make sure that you're appropriately licensed, whether that you have a full license of Copilot in your environment, or you're going to use Azure Pay-as-you-go or the Copilot tenant-wide license. So you need to make sure you are appropriately licensed for that, even though you are creating a new environment. But the important feature to select here when you create a new environment is the ability to get new features early. So go in and select the option to create that when you've configured. Now you'll see up here that I've already created that. It's called CIAOps Beta. That is the new environment that I have created here. So if I scoot across a bit here, you'll see under the release cycle, this is set to early. So all the others are standard. They're not currently going to support GPT-5. I need to make sure that my release cycle in this environment via that option I noted is selected to get those capabilities. Now once I have gone in and created that new environment and it's ready to be used, what I need to do is I need to switch to that environment, and then I need to create a new agent in there. So to switch to environment, what I need to do is select the option up here under environment. So I'm moving away from my default option. I want to go to the one that I've previously created called CIAOps Beta. So I'm going to select that and move into that environment. That's going to allow me to go in and access and create agents based on with GPT-5. So once I get into this region here, this new environment, then you'll see that I've already created an agent in there. We go in and we can then look at the models that are available to us in this new environment that has those latest features enabled. So if I go into the option here to create an agent, or look at the agents that are in the environment, let me select that. You'll see I've already created one here called Patron Copilot 5. And if we go in and look at the same area as we had before, when we look at the model response, we'll see that we have a number of additional options available to us when this does basically come up in a sec. So the agent now is fully loaded. You'll see here that the agent's model is set to GPT-5, which is the reasoning model. So what I'll do is again go in here and go to Edit, and you'll see that I'll have a number of different options available to me in the agent's model. So here we are again, same place, and you'll see that I've got GPT 4.0, and then I've got 5 auto and 5 reasoning that I can select from. So the key to this is yes, GPT-5 is available to you with Copilot Studio, but what you'll need to do is that is only available to environments that have that option selected to get the latest features. The way that we did that, we went to a Power Automate Admin console, and then inside our Power Admin console, we went into environments, okay, and we created a new environment, and we made sure that this option here was selected to get new features early. Once we have selected that, you'll see that we get the release cycle set to early, which confirms that. We then go back to our Copilot Studio environment. We then make sure we change to the environment we just created, in this case CIAOps Beta, and then we can go in to the model for this particular agent we've created, and you'll see that we can select GPT-5. So that's how we can take advantage of that new GPT-5 capability inside Copilot Studio.